Okay, I'm just going to introduce you to the idea of conic sections, and one key thing I need you to know that a conic section, it's a second degree function, or non-function, I should say. It's second degree, and rather than being a quadratics or second degree, these happen to be non-functions. So that's what makes these, part of what makes these peculiar. So for example, this is a sideways facing parabola, but if you were to do the vertical line test, so if we were to just take a vertical line, let me just make it a little bit more vertical. This vertical line passes through that graph 2 places. So this is not a function, but so we could refer to it as a special situation, and it falls under the category of a conic section. The next type is a circle. Again, a circle, when you move the vertical line, it touches the graph in at least in 2 locations. All right, then the next type is an ellipse. A circle is a special type of ellipse, so the same thing applies. Take the vertical line, it touches the graph twice, it makes these 4 things non-functions, and so they have to be handled a little bit differently. And then same with a hyperbola. If you take a hyperbola, whether it's facing up and down, or whether you say a different one was facing left and right, that part, well, I missed on that one, sorry about that. It was right there. Right there, it passes through twice. So regardless of whether it's up or down or left and right, a hyperbola does not meet the criteria of a function. And so those are some of the kind of the big ideas that I want you to be aware of. That a conic section, each of the 4 conic sections, the sideways facing parabola, the one where is x is equal to y squared, where the x is to the first power, this is the type of conic section that is a non-function. The others are non-functions, but they are still a second degree. So there will be times when you have to do a little bit more work, and you'll do something like complete the square. Well, you'd use your skills with quadratics to complete the square, working with a conic section. Anyway, that's just an intro to what makes these things a little bit different. All right, that's it for this one.